Well, hello guys and gals. I just wanted to show something here. This is really dedication, to be honest. Thankfully my phone is waterproof, or at least I think it is. Cause there. No, I don't want to visit a new place. Okay. We'll activate the camera. Go away. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is kind of a blizzard here. It's coming down pretty good. You can see I've only been out a few minutes and already my coat is covered in snow. I should be wearing my poncho probably, but it isn't too bad out. Currently it is like 32 degrees maybe. I don't know. What? Oh. I don't know why that happened. Maybe I hit the button wrong or something. Oh well. Anyways, I didn't touch anything and all of a sudden it went kind of crazy. Okay, probably the snow. I don't really advise people getting their phones wet, but yeah. So we are just going to walk up to the Pokestop, and it is right there. Oh, good. Plus it's corrupted. Good. And I live about right there, so I only have to walk about 3 blocks in this. I'm thankful. But yeah, it's really, really noisy along here because this is along Route 24. Good old Route 24. But yeah, we're almost there. I'm not even going to bother crossing the street here. I would get that Nidoran, but I've already... Let's see, today I caught Cranidos, so I don't have to worry about my catch bonus. I'm only doing this to keep my Pokestop bonus up. Yeah, it is really coming down. Let's see what we're missing out on. Seems like yesterday's snow was almost gone, but now it's back, so you just never know. Tomorrow it's supposed to be -2 wind chill, so it's gonna be pretty cold. I don't know if I'll be able to get out of that or not. That's getting to be dangerous temperatures, especially as I don't have warm gloves. I just have these little cloth, skin tight glove things. I do have some poofy gloves, but then I can't play Pokemon Go if I'm using poofy gloves. They don't have enough give. But anyways, we are almost there. Oh, there's a raid. Great. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, there is a raid. We'll check the raid out really quick. It's gonna be over at the park. 2-star. Oh, that's tempting, but I probably won't do it. Although I do kind of need a raid pass, I think. So I should probably do it. It's not that cold out, and all of this is snow. My clothes will be soaked, but that's okay. Oh. I guess that I got there too late. Okay. We are going to go on to the park, I guess, and check out that raid. It shouldn't take too long. It is only... Oh, weather boost. Splendid. I'm probably going to wait and do that one. Okay, just for a point of reference, we are currently right here, and the park is over there. So we're talking a good few blocks in this snow. So we're gonna see. Okay. Cause I got kind of slick out here, even though this is just snow. I'm wearing boots though. Nice heavy boots. It's a steel toe. So yeah, my legs gotta work out, but that's good. So about 4 or 5 blocks away from this raid. Grade should be up by the time I get there. Okay, 1 block, 2 block, 3, 4. Actually, it's about 7 blocks there. I'm not too worried about that though. Because I'm not cold at all. I'm dressed extra warm, and my coat's basically gonna be soaked, but that's about it. That's why I dress in layers. Let's hang my clothes up and they'll dry. But yeah, we're at 86%. I only brought 1 battery with me because I didn't realize that I was going to be going out to the park. Fun little surprise there. But yeah. There is another Pokestop right there. But as I said in another video, you really have to go a long way around to get to it. I mean, if I had permission, I'd cut through the field, but I don't have that permission. I need to check a plat map to find out who owns that land and then get contact information for them and then permission and then, But this way I do get more steps in. Speaking of steps, I was thinking that I was up to 5 kilometers a day. If that's the case, then I'm a little bit ahead of the game in terms of getting my weekly step goal. 12.2. Okay, good. See if I can get my phone screen dried off. There we go. That didn't last long. Yeah, as far as I know, my phone is waterproof. I've gotten it soaked before. It's not like I immerse it in water or anything, but it gets pretty wet when I walk. Especially when I walk in this snow stuff. Especially with the way it's snowing right now. I think it's supposed to snow all day and then all night, and it's supposed to be like 40 in a few days. And it's like, whoa, why bother? The snow's just gonna melt off again, you know? But we're almost there. Let me turn my map. See, right there it is. It's a 2-star, so it should be really easy to beat. There is no wind, so that helps a little bit. If it's windy, then really that makes the cold feel colder, and so this I can handle. Okay, we are getting there. Looks like we have, it just changed to snowy terrain. I guess that Google Maps finally realized that, hey, it's snowing there. So yeah, let's check out this Torchic, just for fun. Well, I'm wearing gloves. My screen is wet, so I basically knew that was going to happen. Let's go to a different ball. That way, if it does hit, then maybe it will. There you go. How I did that, I don't know. And really, I don't care. Just don't know why I got a great throw with a wet screen and wearing gloves. This game I'll never understand it. Okay. Oops. It lagged, and so I didn't see that. Yeah, it's only 1 star. We'll get rid of it. Transfer. 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 Oh, there. Okay. Now I'll focus on actually getting to my destination. Ooh! You all saw that, right? You all saw what spawned. Wow. I really wasn't expecting that. Okay. Come here. Oh, Kadabra. Uri Geller had some kind of lawsuit against Pokemon because of this Pokemon. Because he thought that it was like based off of him, and so they aren't allowed to put Kadabra in any of the... They weren't allowed to put Kadabra in any of the games, which is why there's a Spirit Link in order to evolve Alakazam, because Pokemon wasn't allowed to use Kadabra because of some lawsuit that Uri Geller brought against him or something. It doesn't take a psychic, which he claims to be, to know that that was a bad idea. I mean, Kiss was perfectly fine with Pokemon being named after them, or, you know, based off of their likenesses. That being the Zigzagoon Galarian line, with the Zigzagoon, Linoone, and Obstagoon line. They're all based off of Kiss, the band. So I thought that was kind of cool, really, that they were good sports about that. And I'm going to catch this instead of talking. See if I can, well, you know what? I know. Well, I knew that was, I didn't get the, that one I didn't time right. At least I got lots of balls. There. That lagged like crazy, but, I'm almost there. Of course, I'm gonna look like a snowman by the time I get home. But, yeah. Anything to finally get this quest done. And this won't even really get my quest done. It will just, get me one step closer. I think I'm gonna, much I like Kadabra, it's got terrible IVs. Well, I guess I better get rid of it. That's kind of sad, really. Thinking wild Pokemon usually have terrible IVs. So we're just gonna... I'm trying to keep from having to use Pokecoins in order to evolve Pokemon. I mean, to get more Pokemon storage. I could. Over the past few days, I've gotten 200, I think, Pokecoins. Again, I'm not trying to get Pokecoins. It's just me maintaining the gems, which is in my previous video. That's how I talked about how I maintain the gems. Oh, it's Arlo. You know what, Arlo? I'm not going to fight you. You're just too easy. Fighting you would be a waste of my time. And my bag is full. How great is that? Sorry, Arlo. I'm not in the mood to take on someone as weak as you are. You're just not enough of a challenge. Once somebody takes out Giovanni, then everything else becomes a lot easier. Plus, I have a Lucario with Power Up Punch that basically could probably wipe his whole team. So, I'm not even gonna justify that with an answer. Okay, we're almost there. And it's a Sneasel. Good. There's always a chance that Sneasel might be shiny because it's so rare. But I already have 2 shiny Sneasels. Well, a shiny Weavile and a shiny Sneasel. So I don't really need another one, but what I do need is, I should be catching Pokemon with Weather Boost. Oh, well, this will... I just need to win one more raid. Huh. Good. I was wrong. I love being wrong about stuff like that. That's a good thing. Now, okay, we're almost there. It'll be 2 minutes for the raid to load, and then, yeah, I don't know how this is going to go. My phone screen is really, really wet. I'm getting constantly barraged by snow here. We're going to get a couple feet, probably. Now, I think we're only supposed to get 2 or 3 inches, but, the way it's coming down now, I'm not so sure. Okay, we're almost to the, oh, Pico. Oh, wait. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that. I know there's a rocket thing there. I meant to click this. Ice and steel. Okay, well. I don't think that's going to help me much. Oh, there is a magnemite that will count. It's not shiny. I do want a shiny Puccina. Okay. But that one wasn't. So, okay, let's get this fired up. I think I better spin it first to get my free daily pass. Come on, just, yeah. Show me. Bag's full. Okay, I need to pitch some stuff. I knew I needed to pitch some stuff. I just had forgotten. Okay, items. Let's see what Pokeballs I can get rid of. 23. Let's just dump some of these plain old Pokeballs. There. Get rid of 10. I don't care. Just pitch them. Okay. Now I should have plenty of room. Spin to get the freebie. How is my item bag full? I just used 10 items. Fine. Or by 1. Okay, I want to keep all those. I don't... Oh, good. We'll just use 1. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Well, I thought those were normal potions. Okay, well, that was a waste. Okay, fine. I've got 137 of these. We'll get rid of 11 more. That should... Now I should finally have enough room. Ugh, that's the most frustrating thing. Okay. Spin. Okay, good. Was I supposed to... Oh, good. I already had a, I guess I already had a, raid pass. I didn't realize that. Good. That was a nice surprise. Now we just have to wait. I want to stay close enough to the gym. Oh, good. I get to use both Blaziken and Lucario. They're probably my best fighters. Well, not my most powerful, but I use them the most against the Team Rocket leaders and Giovanni. So, yeah. Oh, I should probably stay close to the thing. The gym anchor point. And I'm almost to the gym anchor point. The gym anchor point is right here, right near the well tap or whatever it's called. But somebody took the handle, so people can't really use it. Okay. 55 seconds and counting. We are getting some deep snow. And I'm okay with that. It's supposed to get frightfully cold though, and then it's really going to get slick. Okay. Okay. Machamp, Poliwrath, Steelix. I guess the key is to use fighting types. Huh. Fascinating. 10 seconds. Gloves come off. There we go. Think of like Rogue. He has to wear gloves because of mutant power, you know. So it's like, oh, the gloves come off. Okay, anyways. Okay. Fired though. Yeah, I used this against Cloyster, the ice type Cloyster. This guy, this Blaziken. I'm gonna use Blast Burn real quick. Okay, we're gonna charge this up a little more first. Now we're gonna use it again. Okay, we're gonna use it again. Use it again. Because I remembered that ice was really weak against fire. Okay. Wow. Lucario and his Power Punch. Poof. Wow, there goes Sneasel. Okay. You win. 2 Golden Raz. 2 Revives. 2 Super Potions. Good, I'll need those. And 5 Raids. Good, I can finally move on with that quest, but I probably won't till I get home. Got 14 balls. Yay. Takes 7 to summon the dragon, so yeah. Don't know how many balls you need. We're just gonna... Okay, Sneasel. Well, actually, it's not really even all that cold out. I probably won't need my gloves. Oh boy, it broke free. Okay, well, we are going to, well, we got 47 of these, so we're going to, probably a little bit of a waste, but we're going to, what a wonderful sound. Oh. Blaziken should have done the return thing. Catch assist. That's it. Catch assist. Oh, wow. I don't know if I can catch this or not. I don't need to, because I don't really need the candy. Nice throw. That got it. Okay. We'll praise this. Here's a 3-star. We'll see what other Sneasels I have. I need more Sneasels. I know. Okay. Oh. I did one. This is a steel type, so we're going to catch this too, just so that we get a little jump on the, Surprised that, okay, yeah, I was going to say I was surprised that worked. Okay, we're going to just, I know it's a waste, but I'm really in a hurry to... There. There. That caught it. Okay. Praise. I've got lots of Magnemites. Oh, that's only a 1-star. There. Okay. Wow. Okay, it's going to tell me that, yep, battle. Blaziken got a heart for battling. That's good. There's no way I'm going to get all of the hearts today. Especially since I've been to every Pokestop already, so I don't really get credit for visit a new place. But that's fine. So yeah, that is going to be about my routine for today. And that will also end the video. If you like this content, then make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because my upload schedule is a bit chaotic. Sometimes I fall behind and will upload like 5 videos in one day or something. But yeah. Also, appreciate all the support. All the information you need will be in the description. And as always, thanks for watching, everybody. And have a great day.